Hey, what's up? Check it out. So what we have here is a GE cooktop stove. This is a glass cooktop. All of the knobs that are on top of are on top. It is a flat surface. These are the glass. This is glass up here. It's the whole unit's like this. It's electric. Every other video I saw on YouTube was of people replacing the knobs on the stoves that are supposed to be taken apart right side up. So this one you have to take apart upside down. On GE ones at least that are flat cooktops. See the knobs go right up under each one of these. So you have to flip this thing upside down and take out about 1 billion screws, and they're really easy to see. It's very self-explanatory once you get it start to take it apart upside down. And then what you've got to do is take apart these this box right here, because this stuff doesn't lift up from the glass top, which is very different from most other cooktops that I've seen videos for online. This is a bit newer one. This model came out in 2018, and what's happened is one of our switches short-circuited and melted part of one connector, and so we need to replace it. Got 2 more screws here to pop out, and should be able to pull that knob out afterwards. A little bit of a pain, but they leave you just enough room to get in there with like an Allen key. Maybe. Alright, so just about taking the screw out right here. These back 2 were really difficult because nothing's meant to really get in there easily, but some pliers worked. So now we have this box loosened up. It should come right out, as long as we have all of our knobs off first. And there are rubber grommets on the other side, so what you want to do is make sure that since this has to be upside down, that you're doing this on a surface where your grommets won't get lost. So then just gently pull up and it will pop out for you. And what you'll see is the plate here on top. And you can see here on our cooktop where it burnt on there, and you can see all the film that developed and the burn mark right there. So then all we have to do is remove these 2 screws, and this little control unit will pop out, easily to be replaced. As for this, I don't know about that, but we'll figure that out some other time. But this is just to show you how to pop one of these out and how it works on this one since it's upside down. So thanks for watching.